there, it's Gaynor here from Carmarthenshire Libraries, and I'm here today to let you know how to win amazing prizes such as theatre tickets and even family tickets for a game at the Scarlets Stadium. So join up for the Summer Reading Challenge now!
Ready, set, read!
What is the Summer Reading Challenge?
The Summer Reading Challenge is one of the UK's biggest reading for pleasure programmes for children aged 4 to 11.
And it's free!
What is this year's theme?
This year, the theme is Ready, Set, Read. So, it's a sporty theme which encourages you to engage in games and sports in a way that you enjoy most.
When does it start?
The important date to remember is Saturday, July the 8th. This is when the big launch takes place. The challenge runs until Saturday, September the 9th. In the challenge, you'll be able to join a superstar team and meet their marvellous mascots. Here's introducing
Alicia, Noah, Naomi, Naveen, Sophia, Ollie. How can we take part?
To take part in the Summer Reading Challenge, you need to be a library member. Joining the library is so easy. Just take a parent or carer along to the library and bring some form of ID with you. One of our friendly staff members will sign you up for free and you can start borrowing books straight away.
What happens next?
Now you can sign up to the Summer Reading Challenge. You will receive a Ready, Set, Read co-pack folder. Each time you visit the library, you will receive special prizes and incentives to help you on your way.
How many books do I need to read?
How many books do you think you need to read? 10 books? 20 books? 30 books? Well, it's actually 6. Yes, just 6 books. Of course, you can always read more than 6. And yes, you can read all types of books, such as
Fiction books,
Fact books.
picture books. Can I take part online?
Yes, you can take part online. That's all you have to do is sign up at summerreadingchallenge.org.uk. Each time you finish a book, you can add it to your online profile. Along the way, you'll unlock digital badges and online rewards. You can also play games, enter competitions and share book recommendations.
I think it's really important that the children take part in the Summer Reading Challenge this year. It's a challenge that's been going on for 20 years now and it's a great way to keep the children's reading skills up over the summer holidays. It's a great way to keep them occupied and it's just a fantastic way to develop their reading skills ready to come back to school in September.
What do I get at the end of the challenge?
At the end of the challenge, you will receive a certificate and medal when you reach your goal. Your teachers will be delighted when you take in your certificate to school at the end of the summer holidays and they may hold a special assembly to congratulate you. Every school participating in the challenge is in with a chance of being awarded an inaugural Carmarthenshire Libraries Summer Reading Challenge Shield for 2023.
Can I get anything else?
Yes, you actually can. The reader who's read the most books will be awarded a family ticket from Carmarthenshire Theatres for shows at the Miners Theatre, Lyric Theatre and the Furnace Theatre. And if that's not enough, the Scarlets have kindly donated family tickets for children who have exceeded the challenge target and read more than 12 books. They are then placed in a lucky dip. For more information about the Summer Reading Challenge, go to the Carmarthenshire Libraries website. Make sure you follow the Carmarthenshire Libraries Facebook page and Twitter account for more information about free summer events. So sign up and help us to make this the best summer reading challenge ever.
Ready!